In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Facebook. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to this box where you see what is on your mind and tap on it. Then you can proceed to tap on photo or video. So this will drop you onto your gallery where you have all your media files here, whether photo or video. In this case, I'm going to select the video. So Facebook has alerted that we can create this video as a reel or we can create it as a post. With the reel, you can grow your audience and gain new followers because Facebook is trying to push out this reel to a wider audience. And you can also easily add music, effect, and many other options with the creative tool. So if you want to create it as a reel, you can proceed to tap on this create reel. And if you also want to create it as a post, you can proceed to tap on this post. So whichever best suits you, you can pick it. So let me select this one. So you have the option to type any text that you want to add it to it, and after which you tap on next. And finally, to upload this video, you have the option to either schedule it for future posts, or you can even share it to your Facebook groups. And when you are done with tweaking any of this option, you can just proceed to tap on post. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded a video on your Facebook profile. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.